Hi everybody, here is my update number 2. I'm E. Vanderberg and I've been creating chemistry teaching videos. Let's see if I can advance this. Okay, so I actually, when I started this project, I upgraded my laptop, and I actually have been going to Microsoft training, and my students know that I have been learning and I've been trying things, and they've been encouraging me, and I think it really sets the example that it's okay to struggle, and it's good to learn and to create new things. One of the goals in my project has been to create emotional connections in the lessons and the videos that I post. Another thing that I've been questioning in my lessons is, how does this learning matter beyond the classroom? I've been getting these topics from Edutopia, yes, and it's been very helpful. I've been revamping activities. Here is a document that we used, a lab activity. Most of the kids didn't really understand it. There was nothing visually appealing. There were no questions. It was just something where you had to plow through the paragraphs. Very boring, not really anything that uses 21st century goals and multimedia. So what I've been doing is I've been creating graphic notes. I've been using graphics. I've been copying and pasting things and annotating my notes, and I've been making them available in Google Classroom. I've asked my kids, would you rather read paragraphs of things? And they said no, they really like this format. I've also been trying to promote struggle with key questions. Again, it's a matter of getting the students to setting up the questions so that the students engage and try to discover for themselves. Here's an example of a connection I've made. This was an introduction to a burning calories lab where we looked at food labels, the labels of the foods that we were going to burn, just like a food scientist would do when they do the experiment to create the food labels. We actually had a lot of fun. I asked the students if they would be involved in the week's lab activity, and they were very glad to be part of the videos. You can watch this on my channel. It's pretty hysterical. Here is my teaching channel. It's Erna Vanderberg. I have a number of videos now. I have so far completed 9 videos, some lessons, some fun things set to music, very engaging. I'm up to some 90-some views on a few of the videos. Here's an example of a video where I broke it into chunks, and so this is Hess's law. I try to just demonstrate one chunk, one concept. I try to break it down. I try to organize it, show the steps, use color, and not overdo it in one lesson, not make the lesson too long. Next. I try to, again, make learning fun and engaging. This one, if you get a chance to watch it, it's pretty hysterical. I'm trying to recreate the Hindenburg explosion using hydrogen in a balloon, and just for extra drama, I added some background music, and you'll see the person that's recording it, the student that's recording it, when the hydrogen explodes, the whole camera just shakes up and down. It's pretty funny. Next, let's see. Hold on. I've done a quiz review where I've started to get kids to look at the quiz review. Again, I try to break it down into 3 parts. And what I do for incentive is I try to give them sort of a hint as to how the problem might be a little bit different on tomorrow's quiz, and that's worked really well. And lastly, I've asked for student comments. I've asked them, what have they learned? Do they feel prepared? How can I make the lesson more effective? And again, I ask you, is there anything else you can suggest to me? I would really appreciate it. Thank you for watching.